Hey guys, so this is not the Boya BY-M1 microphone. It's a clone, and I got it for just 2,500 naira on Jumia, roughly $5. So this microphone is just $5. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and testing out this microphone. I'll also be doing a little comparison with the original Boya BY-M1 microphone. But before we do begin, do subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 500 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. That would be really awesome. Okay, let's get right into the video. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So give this video a like so more people will get to see it, and let's get into the unboxing. So the box looks a lot like the original Boya microphone. It even has the same picture on it. However, there is no Boya text or logo on the clone, and there are other subtle differences. Anyway, opening up the box, we get a manual that reads Universal Lavalier Microphone. We get a pouch for the microphone. Inside the pouch, there is a transparent bag that houses the battery for the microphone, a 1/4-inch audio jack, that is if you want to connect the mic to an audio interface, the microphone clip, and a black windscreen foam. Lastly, inside the pouch, we get the microphone. So this is exactly the same thing we get in the original Boya BY-M1's box, so I'm happy so far. The microphone is also identical with the Boya BY-M1 microphone. The cable is just as long. It's 6 meters long, and I wouldn't mind a shorter cable. Just like the Boya BY-M1 microphone, we get a switch here. It should be in the off position if you are using it with your smartphone or a laptop. However, for cameras, you need to switch it to the camera mode, and you also need to install the battery if you want to use it with your camera. To do that, you just unscrew this part and put in your battery right here. For smartphones, you don't need to install the battery. Now, let's test the audio quality. So from the start of this video till now, I have been using the microphone. This is it. It's connected to my phone right now. So let me know what you think of the audio quality in the comment section below. This is what I'll be using in my videos from now on, as my old microphone got damaged. No edits have been applied to any of the audio from the beginning of the video till now. So yeah, let me know what you think. So this is what it will sound like if you're holding the microphone up close to your mouth, if you're doing something like a voiceover for a video. So yeah, head down to the comment section and let me know what you think of the audio quality from this microphone. I made a video on another microphone that is even more affordable than this one, and it also sounds really good. You can tap on the icon somewhere here if you want to check it out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give this video a like and remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.